Welcome to the Savvy Minerals go through basic makeup tutorial look, that sort of thing. So basically I just want to share with you ladies on how to apply your Savvy Minerals makeup. If I do any like future makeup and you want any reference, you can definitely refer to this video or makeup tutorial. So let's just get started, okay? So basically, first of all, we want to start off with skincare, and then second is your makeup. So every time when I go to like this Savvy Minerals beauty and business talk, right, they always talk about skincare first, then makeup. At the point of time, I didn't understand why, but I totally understand why. With healthy, proper diet, with good skincare, your makeup would look gorgeous. Okay, I do not know what is your current skincare routine, obviously, but for the basics wise, you definitely just need a cleanser, toner, and a moisturizer. So if like you're lazy F like me, definitely just use your Mirah cleansing oil. I mean honey, if it cleans your makeup, it definitely would clean the impurities on your face. So that's what I do, the Mirah cleansing oil. Moving on, we're going to use a primer. So what you're going to use for your primer is definitely the Sheerlume and also the Art Renewal Serum. So for me, I use the Art Renewal Serum first, and after that the Sheerlume. The serum will help to moisturize the skin, gives it actually a good primer base, and for the Sheerlume it just helps to highlight. You have to have the misting spray. The misting spray is the most important part of all. Okay, it is best to use on the brushes, and also you can use it on your face. So after I do all of my makeup, right, I spray that misting spray on my face. It looks like I did a high definition dewy kind of look with my Savvy Minerals makeup, so it's definitely interesting. Moving on to concealer. For concealer, I just use a lighter foundation shade. I use the shade in 101. Definitely I use it and apply on those affected areas like redness, acne or hyperpigmentation, dark circles under the eyes. Definitely you just apply it, and then after that I use my foundation. So when I do my foundation, definitely choose the right shade of foundation. Just do a like color test or a color matching on your face. Okay, you can definitely use guidelines, for example, like whether you're into gold jewelry or silver jewelry. So gold jewelry is much more of the warmer tones, silver jewelry is much more of the cool undertones. Okay, if you're neutral, then you're basically blessed. When I use my foundation, it's like, you know, you pick up that foundation, spray on the brush, pick it up and do a swirling motion. Okay, and then if you want much more coverage, then you just, you know, apply it all over. You're going to apply your eyeshadows color. Eyeshadows, honey, you just do whatever you want. But actually there's actually a technique. So basically you want to apply like the lighter shade, and after that the darker shade. So when you want to apply the lighter shade as your base first, okay, definitely use like a flat eyeshadow brush and then just apply swiping motions. And then after that you take a blending brush and you take like a darker color, so you can make a smoky eye effect, then blend it in. The blending brush, the technique to blend your eyeshadows together is definitely to do a swirly type of eye motion technique. You basically like to use the Okay, you need to have an angled eyeliner brush and then just apply to get that definition. The multitasker, you can use it for your eyebrows, you can use it as an eyeshadow base as well. Mostly people use it for their eyebrows. For me, I don't usually use for my eyebrows. So you just fill it in and also blend it in. So next up is mascara, and mascara I basically use the jet setter eyeliner. So what I did is I sprayed the misting spray and then I used the angled brush to flick it upwards for my lashes. So that's how you can make your lashes pop more. Now we're going to use the bronzer, and the bronzer I like to use the Kim Kardashian technique, of course. So what she mostly do is she imagine that she's contouring a number 3 as in Thalatha in Arab. So she does it on her forehead, the cheeks, and also the jawline area. So just take the blending brush and just apply it, and also apply it at the nose bridge area, the tip of your nose, to make it like pointy and small. So next up is blush. Okay, I used to not like wearing blushes, but till I found out 7 Minerals. Alright, it is so natural. And did you know that blush can also act as a contour for your face to give that much more of that definition look? So what I do is usually I apply it to the apples of the cheeks and always bring it up. So now comes to my favorite part, which is highlight. Okay, so highlight we usually use Veil, and Veil is such a special product for me. Okay, so what I mostly do with the Veil, I usually use on the bridge of my nose, the cheekbones, and also the forehead area, the cupid's bow. So basically Veil also acts as a translucent powder. So what you need to do is you take that fluffy blending powder brush and apply it topically on your face and just blend it in. So you will give that much more of that luminosity look, and also just end it off with the misting spray to give that high definition makeup look that you always wanted. And that's basically it. Okay, and then we're moving on to lipstick and lip gloss. So you can definitely choose what lipstick you want to use, and after that you can apply your lip gloss. It's basically up to you. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and ensure that bell notification is always on so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, I will definitely leave my social media links at the link in the description box down below. You can follow me there on Facebook, Instagram, at Sheerlume. Okay, and as well, I will leave all the products that I use at the link in the description box down below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!